Male. Take respond matod magora baloch. Ka interview me paya gwajatam from North Narrator channels. Somebody share that, and I'm sure good can do connect take away the data and then I wrote then. Krajala the woody shala galwak. Yeah, we want a lot to talk to opinion the take a long ko diri door nen ka duabadi nene. But before you criticize, you might want to know all the facts. Take a question to Baloch in regard to Konji Western world. Question mintiki you think no chui Nueri. I do believe that in Nueri to chui taken ka Africa is not us here ka West. That's point number one. Chiko kon chui turn more than anything. Mendeni chui dong da I try doing again chukula bentaka ripple effect connected to ka Western world. Point number one, she a lot of one and Chine young need. Chine you instructed a day in business the day in Calab. First and foremost, she America Corrada Lap business nothing. Chajana, Ruda to one chakaberry with your mare. Malaysia Marco, sorry. I got a day malpad the video de loilet. Chico Condial took experience in business management. Chejana take a thana the chia gorba and the practice. So Ruda to one but in business, the Chinaka honore with your money. Mibane American Banay Balada woman China and Jack, it require no bellet. Tell an option to play around but to work. Because Muguru took a roof over your head, but a Quenibugat could sham, be look bigger pay, you have to work. Chejan. So we are here working for other people. Not have our own businesses because it requires you to want to be business like Karwado. Chejan. So Africa too, like business nothing. I don't think you need us to guide you. It go do this with the money, open the business. You should know. And we shouldn't keep in the bell. La take a quite a lot of could be Piaka. So you in Africa. It should be your own decision. You know what? Nga gonna manage ang mo kayo. Nga je tomorrow changat. Anta you tin about the business okay. Kia muguro be business lab di round yo to kamera kamadiri jugo nga ka mo je ka you na about the business. So take a need one share myself share. And I lost a lot of money. Like nga kai share mari ba business lab tell mo wala. La we are gonna come and get back a shop. So to me she made balnay kon ja America because many Africa to business not like business in the shang. So mupin you will be a business in the level. So, what point do Kogo Jadi respond to video? What kind of business have you created so far, Africa? I need to know that. Second point, you do look at you a lot of wood and one junk sport, basketball, sport, you got no retail like a lane, chico. First and foremost, a lane take on basketball, take on basketball play. A manutball, second, a luldang. In order to be mental reference, be a jack, you have to know people deep within. A lot of sport America, cha pay in an aka, you need no gada, then a bagadish, you work a team. That's not how it works, sir. So you may criticize a jet drop money in, but it is wrong. And we'll begin a basketball player to walk at Januka High School. Tejana, Manu College. They're all gone Nuer to Narka basketball, to Tanuka professional basketball college. Okay? Dole quiz is one of them. Ngara Russia right now. So can they feel a long con very long one? But point you correct you she a lot of women and they want to got Johnny Cushion where she can pay. Illis young Raji and never been Kuanke Woodka America Kajagat Kabangathijan. That is incorrect, sir. First and foremost, tell a na to Nike Rock NBA league to their guard Kokula recommend into it. Racism, tribalism, ni jela ron no so Sudan many role me. Luldang talaga no to recommend. Taka gan nyamar mangar ka Colorado State University. So yesterday ka got ko basketball but we got a deal to high school, be kula nang reference man college, and menu mishi bang wajak chi we player go college by you kula recommended into eventually NBA draft. You have to be drafted into NBA. Here me pay kana na kaje. Ik ibigadu shi wotin. That is incorrect. So muguru bene criticize on Jamaica. Make sure you have all the facts. Okay? So not God ko deal to get the gentleman yen ja per ka God kun ko tu. Te yen ka God chi gor ka chi ngulel tele melel kan te ne kan wi char. So the big deal shouldn't be us here conduct wa ja Africa to no kon Jamaica. Okay? Second to that, you being a bias. Ko jinele share ga jena ba ban ku no wut ka America ma ka ja God ka ban te jen. What about uni? What about men till of God can a bang ping man can kill brano kwen ka Africa ba pektin after you dol go the took? Why didn't you criticize them? Muguri ibi in community improve kateladi, you have to not be biased. You have to state the facts and make sure you take all the facts before you start criticizing people. But I can kind of see that it would take kuma. Because to say it will kuma tetkamela roda, jinater. They can wage your bill you jacken you can tell yourself a care my yardid. Malarando or a bio and wedge. Where would they get the money to build another school and roads and all of that when the government is in charge of the money in South Sudan? So my dear, we have a failed government. And I can see Donga Jira and Kuma Shia Guru and Ibi admit. There is tribalism here, Matuak. There is a decision ko ba Nuer and baka destroy South Sudan. So it had nothing to do with Tel Ladi. So De Laro, I disagree with you a lot in all the things that you stated. You can hear Nuer community. No, that's not true. She on the cause of the problem. Okay? So she on the cause of the problem. We're not obligated even out open business. Because we have to. So I would like to know success nuku tinche shibre take been been criticized America. So maybe a question it no question you're not narrator channel. No question to book community improve. Okay? Not question it about now been criticized a teachers and make. Just and make at all. Madeben dina do na konji America maka Africa mutalaga Nuer to take a basketball ka Africa ka take a basketball right now in Africa too. So thing no deal la ru chi kon fail kon Nuer kon dial gwan hi kon dial but share their point to Western world. So they you ne de na bel kon Western world we chill out. Okay? We're doing our best here. Okay? So take it a wrong can Rika wrong can Guame. Tell an time why you babysit Africa. So fix your whole life. And stop being biased. You know. Thank you. Next time you do an interview, make sure to be a here. So be careful what you say and how you criticize people over nonsense. Thank you and have a good day.